Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. Today our topic is singular noun and plural noun. Today we are going to learn about singular noun and plural noun. What is a singular noun and what is a plural noun? Let's start. Let's look into singular noun. What is a singular noun? A singular noun refers to one thing. जब हम किसी भी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे वो कौन सी होगी, वो सिंगुलर नाउन होगा. When we are talking about only one thing, a single thing, it is a singular noun. For example, a book, a pencil, a chair, a table, a fan. These are all the examples of singular noun. Now let's look into plural noun. Plural noun refers to many things. Plural noun indicates many things. When we are talking about one or more things, it is plural noun. For example, books, bags, two chairs, tables, apples, mangoes. These are all the examples of plural noun. Let's look into the conditions. With simple words, as you can see in the picture, book, pencil, bag, cat, mat, we simply write s with these words to make them plural. They become plural and need only s to join them. Like book, books, pencil, pencils, bag, bags, cat, cats, mat, mats. We simply write s with these nouns to make them plural. Let's look into another condition. Nouns ending with s, ss, sh, ch, x or z need es. Now look into these examples. Words. These words end with s. The words end with s, ch, sh, double s, x and double z. We simply add es with these words to make them plural. For example, bus, bus, bus. It will become buses. Match, matches. Bush, bushes. Now let's look into another condition. Nouns ending with y, simply जो वर्ड्स एंड होते हैं वाई पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेबी, सिटी, फैमिली, कंट्री, लेडी. वी सिंपली remove y with them and add ies with the words to make them plural. For example, babies, baby से baby. Y we will remove y and add ies. babies, babies, lilies, cities, families, countries and ladies. A sweetly reminder, is used with a singular noun and are is used with plural noun. is जो है वो हम सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज़ करते हैं और आर प्लूरल नाउन के साथ. दिस एंड दैट जो है हम सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यानी सिंगल चीज़ों के साथ यूज़ करेंगे. एंड दीज एंड दोज आर यूज विद प्लूरल थिंग्स. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मैनी थिंग्स इट इज़ प्लूरल थिंग्स. सो वी विल यूज़ दीज एंड दोज विद प्लूरल नाउन एंड दिस एंड दैट विद singular noun. Let's do a question from our textbook. Rewrite the sentences in plural form. This is a boy in our class. We will simply rewrite this whole sentence in plural form. This sentence is in singular form. We will rechange it into plural form. This will change into these. These are boys in our classes. Class will become classes. Boy will become boys when we change into plural form. There is one pencil on the desk. There are pencils on the desk. That is a vase on the corner table. These are the vases on the corner tables. And these are the another sentences. A customer bought a beautiful dress. A customer bought a beautiful dresses. This answer is correct. These answers are incorrect. The paper is very difficult. The papers are very difficult. We simply rechange the sentences into plural form from singular form.